Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. JJ. You know we back at like an addict. So we just picked up this Corolla 2001 Corolla. Got good tires on it. One thing they did, they kept up, got the door handle still on there. They was just driving it, so they just tagged it. Need some speaker covers for the bed. Like they broke bed. Thing is dirtier than no tomorrow. Look at that, dirty. Filthy. But it's a Toyota, so that's what I don't be understanding. Like, look at this, man. Like, how are you riding? How are you riding around in that? How do you ride around in that? Like, seriously, like, that's good. But I'm just going in the washer when I'm done anyway. This is became a work hoodie. I got two of them, but this is the work one. Since this is out, this is probably gonna be the work beanie. Got the work gloves on. A little hungry, but I mean, I might as well just eat and then just throw this down too, right? Right. Yeah, this is going to the detail shop in there. Well, alright. I'm going to the detail shop. There's some little full detail on this thing. 206,000 miles. This Corolla ain't even broke. Ain't even broken yet. But still waiting on some equipment. But it's straight though. They put new tires on it. Kept up with the oil changes, but didn't keep it clean. Let me eat right there. Hairline a little messed up, but it's alright. AC work? And no, I don't have my mic plugged up for this video. You probably left the other piece in the other car was driving, which I thought this was a wireless mic, but it really ain't. It's like wired, but it's like wireless, but it had to have it. Y'all see it. Hopefully, recorded everything I was saying. But it's very dirty. It's a very dirty car. I don't know how people be just riding around with that, just like, oh, you don't even get a napkin and like want to wipe it down. You're just like, nah, filthy. He's like, nah, it's filthy. We all right with that. Like, I understand, like, sometimes like being like, if you got kids and it's like dirty in the back and stuff like that. But when you up front right here and that you can see it, you know, it's one thing to be like, okay, there's some dirt on the side of the seat and you really can't reach to it. But like, when it's like right there, and it's like no reason why it should be right there, that's just then that right there. Purposely just like throw it. Nah, good thing I do. Good thing about it, do got the roll up windows. Should I buy some? Nah, the seats ain't really that toe up. They just really they're more dirty than anything. So as long as they wipe down everything good, we should be good. Wipe down everything. I throw this thing up there for $1,800. Make me a quick $1,300, $1,400. Then we good to go. Somebody need a Corolla. Somebody need the reliability. And then I'm gonna go get some hubcaps for it though. I'm gonna look online while it's at the detail shop, because this is green. I'm gonna see if they got like some green and black hubcaps to kind of make it a little, set it off a little bit. Well, let me know in the comment section below. Is $1,800 the fair price for a 2001 Corolla with 206,000 miles, no service lights, AC blowing cold, good set of tires? I'm just saying, those things, you know. And it's a Corolla, you know. You're paying for the reliability. You're paying for it. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to not make this videos as long as possible. You know, I know it's best to just show y'all the car, get to the point, and best to do that. So appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I'm out. Just let me know in the comment section below what we should sell it for, and if $1,800 is a fair price, let me know. I'm out. Peace. Peace.